Last lesson, we talked about applying statistics to the sporting world and how people in sports are now using statistics to make better decisions. The whole reason you're learning stats and how to analyze these things is that you can apply it to your everyday life so that you can make better decisions in the future. Learn how to statistically analyze different things such as weather or movies and how they'll do, or sporting teams, or whatever it may be. Okay? Whenever we're applying statistics to the real world, what we're really doing is using the statistical knowledge to make the best predictions we can. Okay? We want to make predictions that are founded on solid data. You've done this all unit, and today and tomorrow what you're going to be doing is making predictions on a whole new set of data, this time about movies and how they do in the box office. To help you remember the best way to make a prediction using data, we're going to go back to one of our previous examples from earlier in the unit. We have a data set that is about the average April temperature in cities and their annual rainfall. Our belief was that the warmer the city, the more rain they got each year. When we graphed it, we saw that yes, as we expected, more temperature led to more rainfall outside of cities like Honolulu. If I was to use this data set to make a prediction about a city such as Detroit, Michigan. Okay? Detroit has an average annual April temperature of 41 degrees. We're going to try and predict its rainfall annually based on this. We could look at cities close by, such as these two right here. We could make a guess based on our own gut, or mathematically we could do probably the best option, which is to plug it in to the linear equation from our line of best fit. Okay. Now, we draw a line of best fit. You can see that its y-intercept over here is roughly 0, and it has a slope of up 15 and over 20. So it's 15 over 20, which we would simplify obviously to be 3 over 4. So your equation would be y is equal to 3/4 x. Or y is your annual rainfall, and x is your temperature in April. If we were to plug in the value for Detroit, y is equal to 3/4 of 41, we would see that y is equal to 3 times 41, which is 123 over 4, which we can then write as a decimal, which would be 30.75 inches of rain, is what we would expect for Detroit based on our linear equation. Remember when you're making your predictions that using your line of best fit is going to be the best way to make the most exact prediction and the smartest prediction.